let me ask you this. Do you work, sir?
Yes, I do.
What do you do for work?
I'm a union pipe fitter.
And
Insert pipe fitting jokes here.
how long have you been doing that?
6 years.
Now, if I could turn your attention to the evening of January 28th, 2022, into the following early morning of the 29th. Do you recall that day?
Early morning of the 29th?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
And do you recall what days of the week those were?
Friday and Saturday, I believe.
And on that particular Friday, what, if any, plans did you have?
We got a who, if any, and what, if any. Mark them both off.
For me, it was just an ordinary day. I went out and I met them for a drink.
And about what time?
So I'm going to ask you to keep your voice.
Yes, Buddha berries. He lays pipe and
you
plows.
indicated you went out and met them. Who's them?
My girlfriend, Caitlin, and that's all I remember.
And do you recall where it was that you went?
Waterfall Bar and Grill.
That's somewhere that you and Caitlin had been to before?
Yes, multiple times.
And do you have any idea what time that was on the 28th?
I don't recall.
And do you recall if anyone else was there in addition to yourself and your girlfriend, Caitlin?
See, Flux
No,
got
I
her
do
chat
not.
to work.
Do you recall whether or not either of her parents were there?
I don't remember.
You're familiar with her parents, though? Is that fair to say?
Yes, I am.
You're familiar with the family, correct?
Yes, I am.
And if you recall, about how long was it that you were at the waterfall
I couldn't estimate, but it wasn't that long.
day? And wasn't that long? Why? What was it that caused you to leave that night?
Later that night, I had to go plow. I was supposed to wake up pretty early.
Stop it.
And as far as plowing, is that something that you do sort of on the side on a fairly regular basis? Or?
Yes, when I can do it, I do it. It's extra money.
He plows for money.
How is it that, what if any relationships you have with the company that you do any sort of plowing show up for?
It's my landlord's company.
And is that, when you say plowing, is that sort of residences, businesses, or something else?
All of those, residence, houses, anything, businesses, could be any of them.
It could be a
He'll
commercial
plow anybody for
parking
money.
lot, could be a condo, could be a business park, any of those things.
Correct.
And about what time was it, if you know, that you were supposed to sort of be ready or on call to go out?
So we were waiting for the snow. I just had to be on call for 3 to 4 in the morning, just have my phone on standby and be ready to go. Just how it always is.
And so when you left, or when you went to the waterfall in Canton, at that time, was it snowing?
I don't believe so.
And when you left the waterfall to go home, why did you went home to rest? Is that fair to say?
Yeah, I needed to sleep. Yes.
And when you left the
Plowing is
waterfall to go
difficult.
home to Easton,
Takes a
to get
lot of
some rest
energy.
and get some sleep, was it snowing at that point?
I don't remember.